Hello guys, this is our product. I will show and explain how it's working, what function it have, and yeah, please don't forget to like video and comment. Okay, this is our car for now. It is the BMW M4. Okay, we have here a clock. This car function like opening doors, one, two, also this. Okay, also this have here charger. This is the charger. Here also we have the buttons. You have the buttons and how it's working. For example, now is 25. Okay. Now I will set the alarm. Okay. I will set any alarm for now. For example, this is changing the hours and minutes. Now I want alarm mode. Okay. Here is alarm mode. Okay. 20. For example, 6. Okay. Here I want to explain something. Here for now have M4 engine sound, okay? But here what car will be put here, it will be changed every time, okay? For example, if here will be BMW M3 or maybe I don't know Dodge Hellcat or something, okay? For example, Toyota Supra, it will be different engine sound and different sound. It is not always this sound. This sound only created for M4. So, for today, that's all. Don't forget like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.